Question number 1. The process of photophosphorylation takes place in chloroplasts, ribosomes, mitochondria, cell wall. So the answer is chloroplast. PS1 occurs in appressed part of granule thylakoid, appressed and non-appressed part of grana thylakoid, stroma thylakoid and non-appressed part of grana thylakoid, या D stroma thylakoid. So इसका आंसर है stroma thylakoid and non-appressed part of grana thylakoid. Phosphorylation means synthesis of ATP from ADP, NADP, ADP from ATP, PGA. Answer is ATP from ADP. Which one of the following pigment does not occur in the chloroplast? Carotene, xanthophyll, chlorophyll B, anthocyanin. Answer है anthocyanin. Start of manufacture of chlorophyll in a plant seedling is stimulated by gibberellins, indole acetic acid, kinin, light. Answer is light. Which pigment is water soluble? Chlorophyll, carotene, anthocyanin, xanthophyll. Answer is carotene. Bacteriochlorophyll differs from chlorophyll A in having one pyrrole nucleus with one hydrogen, one pyrrole nucleus with two hydrogen, one pyrrole nucleus with three hydrogen, one pyrrole nucleus with four hydrogen. Answer is one pyrrole nucleus with two hydrogen. Solar energy is converted into ATP in mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, peroxisome. Answer is chloroplast. In blue-green algae, photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast, lamellizome, heterocyst, keratin. Answer is lamellizome. ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी के अंदर जो फोटोसिंथेसिस है वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट में नहीं होती. इट इज़ पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर. विच कलर ऑफ लाइट गिव्स मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन पीक बाय क्लोरोफिल ए? ब्लू लाइट, ग्रीन लाइट, वॉयलेट लाइट, रेड लाइट. आंसर इज ब्लू लाइट. जो हम एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम का ग्राफ देखते हैं उसमें जो पीक होती है क्लोरोफिल ए की वो ब्लू लाइट पे होती है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग photosynthetic bacteria have both PS1 and PS2? Purple sulfur bacteria, cyanobacteria, purple non-sulfur bacteria, green sulfur bacteria. Answer is cyanobacteria. Which of the following carries out non-oxygenic photosynthesis? Cyanobacteria, crabgrass, bacteria, wheat plant. Answer is option C, bacteria, because bacteria में H2S यूज होता है. वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इमर्जेंस एनहांसमेंट इफेक्ट ओनली मोर देन 680 नैनोमीटर, ओनली लेस देन 680 नैनोमीटर, इंफ्रारेड वेवलेंथ बोथ मोर देन एंड लेस देन 680 नैनोमीटर. आंसर इज बोथ लेस देन एंड मोर देन 680 nanometer. Rubisco enzyme is located in Golgi bodies, peroxisomes, chloroplast, mitochondria. Answer is chloroplast. For chlorophyll formation in plants, elements needed are sodium and copper, calcium and potassium, iron and magnesium, iron and calcium. Answer is option C, iron and magnesium. Which one is the precursor of chlorophyll? Tryptophan, protochlorophyll, bacteriochlorophyll, bacterioviridin. Answer is option B, protochlorophyll. Chloroplast contains maximum quantity of pyruvic carboxylase, hexokinase, RUDP carboxylase, none of the above. Answer is RUDP carboxylase. Chlorophyll A is found in all oxygen releasing photosynthetic forms, only higher plants that photosynthesize all photosynthetic eukaryotes. Answer is all oxygen releasing photosynthetic forms. Photosynthetic bacteria do not contain PS1, PS2, both PS1 or PS2 quantosome. Answer is option B, PS2. Basic structure of all chlorophyll comprises of cytochrome system, flavoproteins, porphyrin system, plastocyanin. Answer is option C, porphyrin system. In angiosperms, synthesis of chlorophyll occurs in presence of phytochrome, light, cytochrome, none of the above. Answer is option B, light. Chlorophyll E is generally present in thallophytes, rhodophytes, mycophytes, xanthophytes. Answer is option D, xanthophyte. In pigment system, second, the trapping center of light energy is P700, P680, carotene, xanthophyll. Answer is option B, P680. In photosynthetic bacteria, the photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast, chromoplast, chromatophores, mesosome. Answer is option C, chromatophores. Photosynthetic units are referred as quantosome, oxysome, phycobilisome, F1 particle. Answer is quantosome. Biochemical phase in photosynthesis was first discovered by Kelvin, Blackman, Amon, Hale. आंसर इज ब्लैकमैन. ब्लैकमैन रिएक्शन को हम डायरेक्टली केल्विन साइकिल से रिलेट करते हैं. ब्लैकमैन रिएक्शन को हम डार्क रिएक्शन भी बोलते हैं. यूनिवर्सल फोटोसिंथेटिक क्लोरोफिल इज क्लोरोफिल ए, क्लोरोफिल बी, क्लोरोफिल सी, क्लोरोफिल ई. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, क्लोरोफिल ए. Which one of the following is precursor of protochlorophyll? Acetyl coenzyme A, succinyl coenzyme A, oxaloacetic acid, alpha ketoglutarate. Answer is option B, succinyl coenzyme A. NADPH2 is also called real power, oxidizing agent, powerhouse of energy, reducing power. Answer is ऑप्शन डी, रिड्यूसिंग पावर. बिकॉज NADP पॉजिटिव जो है वो 2 हाइड्रोजन गेन करके NADPH2 बनाता है, इसलिए ये रिड्यूसिंग पावर है. द एंजाइम दैट फिक्सेस एटमॉस्फेरिक CO2 इन C4 प्लांट्स इज PEP कार्बोक्सिलेज, हेक्सोकाइनेज, RUBP ऑक्सीजनेज, हाइड्रोजनेज. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, PEP कार्बोक्सिलेज.